This is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up the nearby share function on this device. So to begin with, make sure to turn on Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. So I have my Bluetooth enabled. Then, as far as internet comes, mobile data and Wi-Fi are also on. So from here, among the tiles at the control center, try to find the nearby share. Here I have it myself. Then touch and hold at its icon. In order to turn it on, simply switch this toggle on. Then you can rename the device if you want to. I'll rename it to HardReset Moto. Then you can turn on or turn off the device visibility in order for this feature to be used. You obviously, for the nearby share feature to be used, you obviously need for the visibility to be active or for your device to be visible. And once turned on, you have 3 modes it can be in. It can either be visible to only your devices, only your contacts, or everybody or everyone who is in range. From here you can also change the data type that will be used for the file transfer. And now let's test this feature out and see how well it works. So I happen to have another phone on me, so I'll try to share the screenshot, let's say. Wait until our device gets discovered. Here it is. Tap on it, then accept transfer at the receiver's end. Wait for the file image to be transferred. And here it is. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.